This is the secret. So people have got the tendency for sense gratification. That is the material disease. So instead of satisfying your senses, try to satisfy the senses of Krishna. Then you become liberated. This is called chikitsita. There is sense gratification. Here, when you chant and dance, this is not your sense gratification, it is Krishna's sense gratification. Oh, these devotees, they are glorifying me. They are dancing. Blessed they are. Immediately you draw attention of Krishna. Because it is bhakti. Savanam kirtanam Vishnu, smaranam padasevanam, archanam bandhanam dasam. Bhagavati. Tanmanyate. This is the best thing. The Mayavadi, they do not know this. They simply stop dancing. They do not know that this ball dancing may lead one to hell, but the chanting in Hare Krishna mantra is not like that. They do not know it. They simply take the negative side. Stop dancing. We say, no stop it. We shall dance for Krishna. We shall eat for Krishna. We shall print books for Krishna, not newspaper. We shall secure money for printing for Krishna. The same thing, the same printing, same working, same dancing, same eating, but for Krishna. This is Krishna consciousness. Simply you have to change the interest. Everyone is acting for self-interest, but Bhakti Marga, devotional service of Krishna's interest. That is real interest. Same example. If somebody is working hard, securing foodstuff, for whose interest? He is working, the leg is working, the hand is collecting, the eyes are seeing, and so many things they are done. Now, what is to be done now? Now do everything, cook everything nicely, and put it into the stomach. Not that the leg will say, I have worked so hard, the hand will say, I shall eat. No, you cannot eat. The stomach will eat. You simply work. But if the stomach is allowed to eat, then automatically the hands and legs will be happy. So this is chikitsita. Don't work for sense gratification or personal interest. Real interest is how to satisfy Krishna. That is real interest. But they do not know it. Nate vidu sarthagating hi Vishnu. I have got my interest. But you do not know what is your interest. Your interest is to satisfy Krishna. But the rascals, they do not know. They say, why Krishna? Myself, I shall enjoy everything. This is karma and bhakti. When karmi means they are working for their so-called interest, and bhakti means they are working for Krishna's interest. Superficially, the activities are the same. Same means superficially, not in essence. So our senses are so trained up that we want to satisfy the senses. Now, these devotional activities means instead of satisfying my personal senses, if we want to satisfy Krishna's senses, this method is called bhakti. So, the activities of the senses should not be stopped. It should be repaired or reformed. That is chikitsita. Properly treated. Chikitsita. This is the word. Chikitsita means properly treated. Under the direction of physician. The physician is Guru. And Guru's business is to instruct the disciple My dear son, you do not work for your so-called sense gratification, you try to satisfy Krishna's senses, then your life is perfect. This is the physician's duty and this is the patient's duty. Chikitsita. The chikitsita is purification. You have got disease, purify yours. So, this process, this changing of transformation, to work for Krishna's sense gratification and to work for one's own sense gratification, this transformation change, this changing process is called bhakti. Process is the same. Simply account should be changed. Nate vidu sarthagatengi Vishnu durasaya ji bahirarthamani. Everyone is working. Daridranayana seva, or this community seva, the country seva, nationality seva, this seva, that seva. Nobody is for Krishna's seva. Nobody will be happy, sir. Go on with your so-called seva. It will never be successful. You will be more and more entangled in disease condition. Karmanadayo netrena jantar diha upapatti. Simply by your so-called activities you will be entangled in the law of karma, and according to your karma you will get a different type of body and you will live for some time, again you will die, again you will get body, again you will, and you do not know what kind of body you are going to get. This is the entanglement. Jagyartha karmannatru lokayam karma bandhana. So if we want to be free from the entanglement of this karma, then we must work for Krishna. Krishna's another name is Jagga, Jaggapurush, Vishnu. Jagyartha karmannatru. This is the chikis. The material activities, we are becoming entangled and we are becoming more and more diseased. So, it should be treated. How? The same thing. Rabdi is also milk preparation and dahi is also milk preparation. So, you are becoming diseased by this process. Now you take this process, it will be cured and then you will be happy. Therefore it is said, Tadeva jhamayang darbang na punati chikitsita. You should handle everything material, properly treated. Properly treated. Not to work for anyone. As Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given us lesson. You are Jiver Sarupa Nitya Krishna Das. Every living entity is eternally the servant of Krishna. So, instead of becoming servant of your senses, just try to become the servant of Krishna, then your life will be successful. Thank you very much.